Hi everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to download the Sims Mobile application on your Android phone. To download the Sims Mobile app is super easy. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in The Sims Mobile or TSM and search. Look for this application from Electronic Arts which says TSM on the preview screen and click on the install button to download the app on your device. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. The Sims Mobile is a free-to-play mobile adaptation of the popular Sims franchise, which is developed by Maxis and published by Electronic Arts. This game offers a similar experience to the main Sims game, allowing players to create and manage the lives of their Sims on their mobile device. Once the application is installed on your device, simply tap on the play button to launch open the Sims Mobile application on your Android phone. And there you have successfully downloaded the Sims Mobile on your Android in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.